Hi class, I hope you all are having an amazing day today and you are starting your week off on a high note. I wanted to touch base with you and welcome you to week 5. We are almost halfway through our College 101 online course together this semester. Before we dive into week 5, I wanted to talk about week 4. I really enjoy reading your discussion posts about utilizing active reading strategies such as the basic reading questions and the SQ3L methods in your current classes this semester or in the future, especially when you can apply them to your most difficult classes. So please continue to do that, continue making meaningful connection and discussion with your classmates to build a positive learning community, although we are online. So for week 5, we will focus on Unit 3, self-responsibility, making rational decision, time management skills, and looking at procrastination. The homework for this week is reading page 91 through page 114. Your discussion posts are due on Friday and your replies to at least 2 classmates are due on Sunday. There will be a quiz this week for the reading. There are only 10 questions. Again, I recommend that you open another tab to reference your reading as you are taking the quiz because there's no time limit on the quiz. Take your time to really review the material prior to taking the quiz and during the quiz itself to consolidate the new material and the new information into long-term memory. Your diversity collage is due this Sunday. There are 2 parts, so make sure that you submit the collage itself under the correct submission page and the reflection as well under the correct submission page. Then you will have the time management assignment due on Sunday. This assignment asks you to track your time, how you spend your time for 5 days. They don't have to be consecutive. So you can do Monday through Thursday, or you could do 5 other days during the week. You don't have to be too specific. You can block out time blocks to indicate the activities that you spend time on. Reference the instruction under this assignment page. The purpose of this assignment is to illustrate or to reveal how you spend your time and if there are any areas of improvements that you can change using some of the strategies that we talked about this week. Reminder to make your counseling appointment this week for a long-term education plan. That will be due later on during the semester, but it's important to get that appointment set as soon as possible because they do fill up quickly. If you have already met with your counselor this semester and you have created a long-term education plan, perfect. You can use that for this assignment. However, it has to be current and it has to be done within this semester. All right, class, that will be the assignments for week 5. As always, I am here to help you. If you have any questions at all about any of the assignments, feel free to send me an email, message me via Canvas inbox, or use the chat app Pronto, and you can get a hold of me. Please don't hesitate to do that. All right, class, have a great week ahead of you, and I look forward to reading your assignments and reading your discussion posts.